Hello guys, here you can from Microsoft buy Windows 10 Pro. I prefer Windows 10 Pro because have many feature, all the features of Windows 10 Home plus enterprise grade security, powerful management tools like single sign-on and enhancing productivity with remote desktop and Cortana, etc. Windows 10 Pro is built for business. If your device is lost or stolen, BitLocker and BitLocker to go put everything on lockdown so no one else can access your system or data. Your office file like Excel, Word and PowerPoint automatically get stored in the cloud, which acts as a virtual online drive so you can share and work on documents in real time, etc. More secure. You have a remote desktop, log into your PC or tablet and securely access your files, folder and application from virtually anywhere. All you need is an internet connection and remote desktop. Start editing a document in the office, keep working on it in the coffee shop on your phone and finish up on your home PC. Windows Ink capture great ideas before they slip away with Windows Ink. Quickly access a Windows Ink workspace with the click of a digital pen or straight from your taskbar. Also, we have many features. Microsoft Edge, Office, Cortana. Cortana is your personal digital assistant. She can provide notifications about appointments and deadlines, etc. Requirements for Windows 10. My friends, required processor 1 GHz processor or faster. Required memory 1 GB RAM for 32-bit, 2 GB RAM for 64-bit. Required hard disk space up to 20 GB available hard disk space. Required video card 800 by 600 screen resolution or higher. DirectX 9 graphics processor with WDDM driver. Required connectivity, internet access. Other system requirements: Microsoft account required for some features. Watching DVDs requires separate playback software. Additional system requirements: you must accept the enclosed license terms also at Microsoft.com. Activation required, single license 32 and 64-bit on USB 3.0 media included. Thank you guys, this is overview about Windows 10. Here we want to create a Windows 10 installation media. We can hear from Microsoft download these tools now. Create Windows 10 installation media. When we're using the tools to create installation media, we should to follow the steps to create installation media. Before you download the tools, make sure you have an internet connection. Internet service provider fees may apply. Sufficient data storage available on a computer, USB or external drive for the download. A blank USB flash drive with at least 8 GB of space. Okay. We should have 64-bit or 32-bit processor CPU. You'll create either a 64 or 32-bit version of Windows 10. To check this on your PC, go to PC info in PC settings or system in control panel and look for system type. You can choose either a 64 or 32-bit. It depends on your processor. System requirements: make sure the PC meets the system requirement for Windows 10, at least 2 GB of RAM. Okay. Language: in Windows, you need to choose the same language when you install Windows 10. Edition of Windows: you should also choose the same edition of Windows. To check what edition you're currently running, go to PC info in PC settings or system in control panel and look for Windows edition. Okay. You can select download tools now and select run. You will need to be an administrator to run these tools. Okay guys, in summary, Windows 10 is a series of personal computer operating systems produced by Microsoft as part of its Windows NT family of operating systems. It is successor to Windows 8.1 and was released to manufacturing on July 15, 2015 and to retail on July 29, 2015. In this course, in summary guys, we will learn how to download Windows 10 from Microsoft, also a bootable USB creator, to create a bootable flash drive. Also, in first step, we'll create a new hard disk partition from C drive. Second step, we'll copy important data to the new partition to save our data. In the step 3, we will create a bootable flash using Rufus tool. Also guys, in the step 4, we will enter the BIOS and change the boot order. Also, in the step 5, we will follow, as you can see, Windows installation process. Thank you guys for watching.